Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade Greek salad dressing, updated. Start by gathering olive oil, red wine vinegar, lemon, garlic, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Measure roughly 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar for a classic balance, then add lemon for brightness and garlic for depth. Whisk vigorously until the dressing emulsifies, taste, and adjusts salt or acidity. Use immediately or store in the fridge for up to a week. Start by pouring 3 parts extra virgin olive oil and 1 part red wine vinegar into a bowl or jar. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 clove crushed garlic, and 1 teaspoon dried oregano, then season with salt and black pepper. Whisk or shake vigorously until the dressing slightly thickens and becomes glossy. Taste and tweak acidity or salt, then toss with salad greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and feta. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video for more recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes anywhere, with a bright screen and long battery life that fits naturally into kitchen routines and messy hands. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want to support the channel, grab one for yourself. Now let's get back to the video. If you want a creamier dressing, stir in 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt or a bit of crumbled feta and blend briefly. Fresh herbs like parsley or mint bring a lively finish and should be chopped finely before adding. To tame raw garlic, gently warm minced garlic in a little oil, then let it cool before mixing with vinegar and lemon. Store chilled and shake well before serving for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.